Good morning, everyone. My name is Richard. Welcome back to another video in gold. Today is 23rd of July, and we are going to do a top to down analysis in gold today in today's video. So, I've already made a video yesterday about one of our long entry, which we had at 2388.5. Unfortunately, it got kissed over SL, but many of the members, many of the traders were still holding that trade, and the morning high was 2403 in today's Asian session. So it made around 150 pips, and I still think it can reverse anytime from here. This is just a secondary phase of market structure. You can see uh, this is higher high, this is higher low, this is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and it can again start a move to the upside from here. And the reason is very obvious. I mentioned yesterday itself. We have a very strong support around here. If you can see here, this Blake support and resistance line, this is the first touch, this is the second touch, this becomes a good resistance, got a break here at this level, and now it's testing to this zone. And that's why this zone become very important, and that's why we are expecting a move to the upside from here, which looks more promising from here. It can also move 50% around here, then try to break here, and once we are breaking below this, and if it breaks here successfully, then we will see a big run to the downside, and this is going to be our target 2320. This red rising uptrend channel, this is the first touch here, this is the second touch here, third touch around 2384, 2484, 2485, and then it's moving to the downside, the bottom band, this is the first touch, this is the second touch, and again it may come here at this level around 23 10, 15, 20 level. If it is successfully breaking below this Blake support, which Blake resistance, which has become a support now. Okay, and one thing I always wanted to remind everyone: don't marry your bias. Even it looks a very good setup for buyers here. We cannot ignore the sellers also. So just wait for a good confirmation before taking the entries. Try to stick with your plan, and if you are someone who is planning to have a long run buys from here, then I would advise everyone to take half of your position around 100 pips, 150 pips high, which we have seen. You can book around 50% of your position and let remaining run. That's gonna be your swing setup for long, and let's see how it goes. I still think it most probably going to get reverse, because we have multiple support around here, this black one, this rising channel to the upside, the blue one, also the 50% retracement from this swing low to this swing high. So there are multiple confluences which is making me to hold this position for buys to at least 2450. But still I'm telling every time, I remind to myself and to everyone that don't marry your bias. Just look at what candles are printing in front of you, and the way candles are closing. Okay, so this is what I see. And talking about today's support and resistance zone, so this zone is going to be a very important support around 23 84 85, or this entire zone is going to be a good support here. And also this is going to be our resistance is at 2408, 2412, 2410 level. So if you are getting a break above this, then definitely we are going to see 2450, and this is going to be our support area. Talking about the 15 minutes of time frame, we have this small support area which got a break and candle close, got got a bearish close. So there are chances we might see a short term sales around here, then it can come around this support and then continue moving to the upside. Okay, this is what I see. And talking about the key levels, we have this key levels, this 2388 is going to be a very important support, which where we are planning to have a buy position. And yesterday itself we had a buy position, so this is going to be our buy zone. And the second support is going to be 2381 for us. And if it is breaking above 2410, then we will be looking for a buy opportunity. And anyway, if you are breaking below this 2380 81 level, a impulsive break to this support may leads to a new low in the gold, which looks unlikely to me now. And gold might stay in this range for today, because we do not have any important economic event. So for a timing, it may stay here for a while, and it may break to the upside or to the downside from here by any I can say good economic event. Okay, but so far this is what I see in gold. The 2388, 2381 are going to be our support area. And if you're breaking 2410, then it will leads to a higher breakout to the higher side up to 2450. Okay, That's what I see in gold today, and that's it for the gold's video and today's analysis. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.